one server, many PBXs. Get organized now with VitalPBX. With the VitalPBX Carrier Plus plan, you can manage multiple clients or locations on the same server. This plan allows you to manage, provision, and maintain by switching from one tenant to another in an easy-to-use single interface. Managing multiple PBXs with the Carrier Plus plan, it's a truly effective and quick task that will take your business to new levels of efficiency. And with VitalPBX, businesses of all sizes can get organized and manage several tenants in one server. This innovative cloud-based technology boasts features that allow for improved communication and increased productivity throughout multiple organizations, locations, or clients. Especially if you're a PBX reseller, where you can have unlimited clients to manage and make your business more profitable. VitalPBX makes managing multiple tenants easy and reliable, saving your business time and money. If you're looking for a way to get your PBX system optimized for multiple clients or locations, now is the time to consider VitalPBX. By leveraging the power of the Center Plus plan, businesses can maximize cost savings and improve productivity. Get your Carrier Plus plan today.